Why is it so hard to build adaptive learning software?
There's a few challenges. The first one being, as we were building Prodigy, we've taken a look at all of the different state curricula across the United States. And then we had decomposed it into over 1,500 of what we call skills. So skills are kind of our unique block of learning. And this is how we employ the mastery-based approach. We actually keep you on a skill until you master that skill. And then we progress you on to the next skill in the curriculum. And it matters in what order you learn those skills as well, as we had reviewed earlier. So that's kind of one of the challenges of employing adaptive learning. The second one is you have to be constantly learning and adapting the curriculum. And as we get data from, over 7 million students a month on how they're actually progressing through the skills, that provides us with a really unique opportunity to learn what are true prerequisites and post-requisites. What is the pace that we need to progress kids through the curriculum in? How do we, if a particular skill isn't being taught effectively in the way that we have it in the curriculum, what is another way to potentially teach that skill? So one example is, let's say you're counting and you employ a number line to count. So you'd have each one of the ticks on the number line and you skip count by 2. So 2, 4, 6, etc. Another way to count is a place value chart. And in the classroom, teachers often employ multiple different approaches towards learning the same skill. And we've tried to actually replicate that within Prodigy as well. And that just gives kids different mental models of how to approach a particular concept in the mathematics curriculum.
I love that.